Hey guys, listen. A good leader has a futuristic visions and knows how to turn his visions into success stories in the real world. Remember, it was not raining when Noah built the ark. So what I'm telling you right now, it was all about preparations. Preparations for what's coming and build foundations. Change is slow and gradual. It requires hard work, a bit of luck, a fair amount of self sacrifice, and a lot of patience. If you want something bigger in your life, be like a 1%. Don't do what others 99% do. And the most important thing is start. Have a nice day. Bye.